Bonjour les amis. Now I'm going to explain to you a little bit about your homework. And so you're supposed to be doing your word search and finding the descriptive words. And so this is kind of giving you the hints, but we're going to talk about it and hopefully it'll help you understand what they mean. So on your paper, I want you to write in what the things mean after we talk about them. So the first thing we see over here is the word roux, R-O-U-X, roux, which means redheaded. So you're going to put in on your paper redheaded, and that's if someone's redheaded and it's a boy. Then you also have châtain, châtain, répétez, châtain. So when you hear me say the words, repeat them. Roux, châtain. A hint for pronouncing the R. If you can't pronounce a French R the way I do, say it like it's an H. So if you said, instead of saying roux, you said who, and it almost sounds the same. Châtain means chestnut. It's a color like a light brown. Then we also have here âgé, and we have généreuse, which overlap. Âgé means old. There's two different ways to say that, or aged. We have a word. And then généreuse is the feminine for generous. So, âgée, répétez, âgée, généreuse, généreuse. Once again, with that R in généreuse, you can say it like an H, généreuse, généreuse. If you say that like an H, it works. You have over here blanc, blanc, which means white. You have sportif, which is the masculine for athletic or sporty. Marron, which means brown. You have paresseuse, which means lazy. So you should, I'm not writing them all in, but you should be doing that. Write them all in, what they mean. Paresseuse, and this is a word a lot of people have trouble remembering. It means lazy. Paresseuse. It's really long and you're too lazy to figure it out. So maybe you could think of it that way. Paresseuse. Grande is feminine and plural for tall. Grosse is feminine for fat, grosse. Forte is strong, it's the feminine for strong. Sérieux is the masculine for serious. And créatif is also masculine for serious. And then court is short, but not short as in stature. Petit is short for your height. Court means like you have short hair, court. Once again, that R, if you say it like an H, it'll work. Court. All right, age. We have some other words. Underline the word in each list that does not belong with the others because of meaning. So we have châtain, blanc, and roux, which are all hair colors, and mince, which means thin. Grosse, petite, and grand all have to do with stature or size of body, fat, short, and tall. Whereas sympathique is nice, which is a personality trait. Court, marron, bleu, and vert. Marron, bleu, and vert are colors. Court means that your hair is short. Sérieuse, paresseux, brune, and intelligente. Sérieuse is serious. Paresseux is lazy. Intelligente is intelligent. Those are personality traits, whereas brune means like brunette or brown-haired, and that is a physical characteristic. Généreuse, méchante, gentille, and sympa. Généreuse, sympa, gentil are all things that are nice or positive. Méchante is not positive. Méchant is mean. So that's the correct answer. Timide, intelligent, long, and créatif. Timide, intelligent, and créatif are all personality traits, whereas long is a physical description of your hair. And so here over in section 3, you have to match up a trait of Cléa with the opposite trait of Léa. So cheveux longs is long hair, is the opposite of cheveux courts. Blonde, blonde, is the opposite of brune, brunette. Petite, short, is the opposite of grande, tall. Sérieuse is serious, it's the opposite of marrante, funny. Gentille is nice, is the opposite of méchante. Merci et au revoir.